Hey there guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a nice system of equations in terms of x and y, where we have x times y equals 40 and x to the power of log y equals 4. So in order to solve this, first of all, since we have something in the form of log y, I kind of feel like I need to take the log of both sides. So if you take the log of both sides in the first equation, we're going to have log of x times y equals log of 40. Now, notice that whenever we have log of a product, we can turn that into a sum of two logs. So we can write log xy as log x plus log y. Now, notice that log 40 is just the same thing as log of 4 times 10. So again, we can turn that into a sum of logs and write it as log 4 plus log 10. Cool. Now notice that the base of all of these logs is 10. Therefore, I can go ahead and say that this is 1. So from the first equation, I can say that we have log x plus log y equals log 4 plus 1. Cool. Next, let's go ahead and take the log of both sides in the second equation. We're going to have log of x to the power of log y equals log 4. Now, if we use the power rule on the left-hand side, we're going to have log y times log x equals log 4. So we have log x times log y equals log 4. Now at this point, let's go ahead and say that a is log x and b is log y. From this, I can say that a plus b is 1 plus log 4, and a times b is log 4. So let's go ahead and try to solve for a and b, and then back substitute to solve for x and y. Let's go ahead and use the first equation to isolate b. So we can say that b is 1 plus log 4 minus a. Then let's go ahead and take the value of b and insert it in the second equation. So we're going to have a times 1 plus log 4 minus a equals log 4. So in this way, we're going to have a nice quadratic equation in terms of a. We're going to have a plus a times log 4 minus a squared equals log 4. Let's go ahead and rewrite this as a squared minus a times log 4 plus log 4 equals 0. Next, let's go ahead and factor out an a out of these two and a negative log 4 out of these two. So we're going to have a times a minus 1 and minus log 4 times the quantity a minus 1 equals 0. Now, if you look at this, we can say that a minus 1 is our common factor. So we can pull it out and write that we have a minus 1 times a minus log 4 equals 0. From this, we can say that a is 1 or a is log 4. Now remember that a plus b is 1 plus log 4. So if a is 1, we can say that b is log 4. And if a is log 4, b should be 1. Cool. Now remember that a is log x and b is log y. So we have two scenarios. Log x equals 1, which means that log y should be log 4. And in the second case, we have log x equals log 4, which means that log y should be 1. So let's go ahead and use the definition of logarithm to solve these equations. From the first one, we're going to get x equals 10 and y equals 4. And from the second one, we're going to get x equals 4 and y equals 10. So 10 comma 4 and 4 comma 10 are two pairs of solutions, the only pairs of solutions that we have for x and y. And this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more contents like this, and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this. Hopefully I will see you later. Goodbye for now.